Hi. So in this section we will learn about Boolean values. Okay, Boolean and values. Look, Boolean values actually represent one or two values, so called true and and false. Okay, and just keep this in mind, the first letter of true will be capital and the first letter of false will be capital, otherwise it will not run. Okay, look, in programming you often need to know if an expression is true or false, right? So here you can evaluate any of the expression in Python and even you can get one or two answers like true or false. Or you can say, like, if you want to compare two values, then the expression is evaluated and Python will return the Boolean answer whether it is true or whether it is false. Okay, so let's take it like an example. Just suppose here I want to print whether 10 is greater than 9. Okay, and again I'll print 10 is equal to 9. Okay, look, this thing you have seen first time. Okay, this it is a greater sign, so you definitely knows, but here I have taken two equal to signs means I am comparing. Okay, and if I am doing one equal to means I am assigning anything. Okay, so if you want to assign anything, just use single equal to, like in the variable. And if you want to compare anything, if you want to treat like comparison, then use double equal to. Okay, so here I'll print 10 is equal to 9. Okay, so it will check and tell me whether it is equal to 9 or not. And again here I am taking one more thing, 10 is less than 9. Okay, so if I'll run this, you can see the output, it's shown me in true, false and false. Yes, the first condition is true because 10 is greater than 9. Second condition is false because 10 is not equal to 9. And third condition is obviously false because 10 is not less than 9. Okay, so it's shown me a Boolean value. Okay, so here let me give you one more example. Just suppose I want to print a message based on whether the condition is true or false. Okay, the same thing but in different way. Just suppose here I am taking 2 is equal to 200. Okay, b is equal to, let's say, 33 or 30, whatever it is. Okay, now I am showing you the Boolean value with the if statement. Okay, so if b is greater than a, it's a condition. Okay, then colon means then indentation comes now, so then print, please print, if b is greater than a, then print b is greater than a. That's it. Okay, or so here you can also give one condition which is called else. ELSE. You will learn this thing in the upcoming chapter, but in this chapter you should know this thing so that you could implement true and false or Boolean value in every condition. Okay, so here I am saying if b is greater than a, then just print b is greater than a, or else again condition, else just print what, b is not greater than a. Okay, so if I'll run this, then see it's saying b is not greater than a. That's obvious because b has a less value than a. 200 is more than 33, right? So it is choosing what condition? Second condition. Okay, so in this way you can also use the Boolean value. Another thing is, what if I want to evaluate the values and the variable? What if I want to evaluate values and variables. It's just a question. Okay, so what should I do? Here we will use the bool function. What function? Bool function. This function. Okay, because this function basically allows us to evaluate any value, and even it will tell us true or false, okay, in returning. So just suppose I want to print let's say bool, the condition, okay, and I want to print like hello. Oh sorry, in this hello. Okay, my first condition is this, and second I can use like this also, bool and then condition, and then I can write any integer like 15. What if I'll do this? It is saying true because here is no condition, everything is good. Hello is a string, so it is saying boolean. Boolean is taking the string as a string, so string is equal to string is true, and integer is equal to integer is true. Okay, so this condition don't have any condition, means hello is already completed, no condition is mentioned, so it is saying true. 15 is already completed, no condition is pending, condition is there, no equation is there, so 15 is only an integer, so it is saying true, right? Even we can evaluate these two variable in two different ways. Let's take again an example. Evaluate two variables. How to do this? Let's say x is equal to the same example hello, okay, and y is equal to, let's say, same 15. So if I'll print using bool, print, and I'll do bool, and then I'll pass x, means a string on it, and I'll print bool, and same I'll do for y. If I'll print, the same thing is happening, what we have seen in above equation, right? True, true, all are true. And what if the most values are true? What to do? Look, let me show you what actually I am saying. Look, almost any value is evaluated to true if it has some sort of content, right? What we have seen in above examples. So here any string is true except empty strings, okay? Any number is true except 0. You should know this. And any list, any tuple, any set, any dictionary are true except the empty one. If you discuss what is list, what is tuple, set, dictionary, then don't dive deep into it. We will see all these things in the next upcoming chapter. Here I am just showing you some examples so that you could learn what is the function of Boolean. Okay, so let's take some examples for this also. What if most values are true? Okay, just take bool and write it here, Sharad ABC. Let's take ABC. Okay, again the same thing, bool and 1 2 3 integer value. What if I'll take a set or a list? So bool, then I'll pass a list. List is denoted by square brackets. So here I am taking apple and cherry, and one more I can take banana. Okay, so if I'll run this, it is saying true. Yes, because they all are not empty, but they don't have any condition. I told you, almost any value is evaluated to true if it has some sort of content, right? They shouldn't be empty. If they are empty, then they will the output will show you the error or it will show you the false. Okay, but if you are taking number, then don't take 0. 0 will show you the false statement. Okay, and here let me show you some examples or false why I am saying this. Some values are false also. Which values are false? Let's take bool. Then here take FALAC. Okay, if you will take don't take capital F, then it will not work. Okay, if you will run this, it will show you nothing. Okay, it will show you the error. So here you need to take capital F. It is the Boolean concept. You need to follow the guidance. Okay, now it is saying false. I'll do the same example again and again. Okay, then bool. If just suppose you will do none, NONE. Okay, here also you need to capitalize the first letter N. If I'll take bool like 0, what I have told you in the above examples. Okay, if you will do bool empty like this, empty string. Okay, and again it will show you the false statement. If you will do bool as empty tuple, again it will show you the false. If you do bool with empty what list, then again it will show you the false statement. And the last one is our dictionary. Let's run this. Look, all are saying false. Okay, so don't repeat it. Okay, and don't give any negative value or the empty value. Okay, so there's one more value, or you can say the object in this case actually, which evaluate false, and that is if you have an object that made from class with the len function, okay, that returns 0 or false, then what to do? I know it is not understandable right now, it is quite tough, but I want to show you so that you could know better. Okay, so just suppose I want to make a class. This thing you have seen first time, so just go through it, just see, and I'll tell you in the next chapter what is exactly it is. Okay, so class, just suppose I'm taking class, let's name it my class. Okay, and it is a function, so I'll give this round brackets, and then colon is a condition, class my class. So here now I will define a len function, def. Okay, and then underscore len. Okay, then underscore, and then self. Then again I'll do a condition. What it will return? It will return me what? 0. Okay, and now let's store my class to an different variable like my class. Now let me store it to my object. Okay, now my class is stored into my object variable, and then I will print this via bool whether it is showing me true or false, my obj. So if I'll run this, then you can see it is showing me false. Okay, because the len function shows what? It function shows the length, right? And here I am returning 0. 0 is nothing, don't have any length, so it is showing me false statement. Okay, and you should know one thing. Python has many built-in function that return the Boolean value like an instance function or something, or even you can use to determine if an object of a certain data type or not. Okay, so what I am saying, let's take an example. is instance values. Okay. Oh, let's wait. Okay. So just suppose I want to check whether if an object is an integer or not. Okay, so what should I do? Just suppose here I am taking x as, let's say, 200. Okay, so I want to check whether this object is integer or not. So there are two conditions. I can use type, okay, but I don't want to use type. I want to check via the bool values. So what to do? Here I'll use is instance, okay, and I'll pass x in it, and then whether it is int or not, it is integer or not. So let's check it. Yes, it is integer. It is showing me true. It is true. It is integer. Okay. So in this chapter you have seen a lot of value by which you can find whether it is true or false. Okay, so it is basic concept of Boolean, and you will use this concept in overall your Python program. Okay, so hope you understood these all things. If you don't understood, then just repeat the video and you will learn everything. Okay, so that's all for this section. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.